Our newest car, this 1926 Chevrolet two-door sedan. This is our newest vehicle as of today in September. What is it? September 11th, 2025. This is a 1926 Chevrolet two-door sedan. And it's pretty damn nice. It's really straight and clean. And it runs, drives. And we just got it in today. Just unloaded it off the rollback. Brought it down south of us just a little ways. Got wood spoke wheels on it. I mean, it's a neat looking car. Somebody would have a lot of fun taking this to a car show. The interior in this car is very nice, and I got to tell you, this car was judged in 2 different car shows, and it got 2 different judging sheets for each show. I mean, just look at the interior. It looks great. This is a photo at Drager's Clubhouse, and you can just see how nice this car is. And this photo, it was taken in 1992. And you can, again, this is when it got judged. And here are the judges' seat. This one's got 97 on it, 95 on it. And then this next judging sheet, both these sheets have 100 points on both sheets. So it really did good. And here's an appraisal from way back in 92 also. We have to get it service and safety checked before we'll be ready to sell it. And so we're probably about 2 to 3 weeks away, but it'll be nice.